Would you rather have 13/4 of a pizza or 3 1/8? It's a messy question. Fractions can feel like a foreign language, but the secret to comparing them is finding a common translator. That translator is the common denominator. Think of it as giving both fractions the same last name so you can compare them directly. Take 3/4 and 5/6. The lowest common denominator for 4 and 6 is 12, so we translate them. 3/4 becomes 9/12 and 5/6 becomes 10/12. Now it's obvious, 10/12 is bigger. This golden strategy always works, but it isn't always the fastest. For quicker wins, use shortcuts. When comparing mixed numbers like 4½ versus 3 9/10, just look at the whole numbers. 4 is bigger than 3. Done. No fraction math needed. Or you can sort fractions using benchmarks. Is a fraction close to 0, like 1/10? Is it exactly half? Or is it more than a whole, like 5/4? Sorting fractions into these mental bins can put them in order almost instantly. Here's an advanced move for fractions that are almost whole. Which is bigger, 7/8 or 11/12? Instead of finding a big common denominator, ask what's missing. 7/8 is missing 1/8. 11/12 is missing 1/12. Since a 12th is a much smaller missing piece, 11/12 is closer to being full. It's the larger fraction. So back to the pizza. 13/4 is the same as 3 1/4. Compared to 3 1/8, a quarter is bigger than an eighth, so you take the 13/4. From common denominators to clever shortcuts, you now have a full toolkit. The real skill is knowing which tool to use to find the smartest path to the right answer.